Create tags, assign them to leads or contacts, and use those tags in email sequences to send targeted follow-ups. Navigate to dspeedup.in. Click on Sequences, left pane. Click on Sequences Tags. Click on Add Sequences tag. Click Name field box and text your tag name. Click Active field box and click Yes or No. Set the position optional. Click on Save. Click on Sequences. Click on Sequences option. Edit the existed or created sequence. Click on Edit. Click on Tag Name field. Select the tags. Click on Save. Check the tag status and tags added successfully.